wa cheupe. Nawe mutongeria wa mugongo Rais William Ruto netete na mbere na kwithirwa akiuga ati ayuthi baraba gwite na mbere kwithirwa bakiandika manto ya tibugi ni kaba kwithirwa bakiawa mbesa ni siasa baraba kwithirwa bateko muwata mbaru gita kana baraba ni siasa baraba kumupinga kana bateko muwata mbaru na araugite bare ya wambese ni kienda bethirwa bakiandika manto ya tibugi ya moegi endene ya mitandao. Nguruki akiongera William Ruto netete na mbere na kuuga ati hakethirwa agigira Kenya nguruki ya milioni 10 bakumba kwithirwa bakiwatanithirwa stima ntere mwanya mwanya Nthigurune kiri mwaka juju turi nandi ywa kithirikari. No mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Jeff ari na Nteto Nguruki.
Akiaria mutongeria wa mugongo President William Ruto muthenya jwa narua ari nteretia wa Singishu na ugite nthuki mbithi barabethirite bakimumeneria budene mitandao ne wamwe na atongeria bangi Kathumba kabethirite bakiewa mbesa ni bamwe babara bakurwa no tongeria bwawe.
Mimi nawauliza vijana wale wengine wasipotoshwe na wanasiasa wa kuwalipa pesa kidogo ati waweke mapicha ya viongozi ati kwenye makaburi. Mimi nataka niwaambie hawa vijana, leo mtaweka viongozi kwa makaburi, kesho mtaweka wazazi wenu kwa makaburi, kesho kutwa mtaweka wenzenu, marafiki zenu ama ndugu zenu kwa makaburi. Siku hiyo ingine nyinyi mtaanza mambo ya mauaji. I want to ask you, those who are encouraging young people to continue this trend where they are putting people in coffins, let us be careful so that we don't build a generation that is going to self-destruct. We must tell our young people that good morals, good character pays. Instead of using the internet to have pictures, images of people in coffins, use the internet to monetize and create jobs for yourself, earn money and make your lives better.
Kirimantu jawiti na mbere mutongeria ujo augite na mbeca Kathumba cia gwikira antu stima ntuburia komba kwithira akithondeka kiri mwaka juju jwa thirikari.
Nikiongea na nyinyi, serikali ya Kenya tumetafuta pesa bilioni 36 ya kuunganisha stima kwa manyumba ya wananchi 1464 katika awamu ya kwanza. Awamu ya pili pia tuna negotiate. Kabla ya mwisho wa mwaka huu tutaendelesha hiyo program. Target yetu kwa miaka mitatu ijayo ni kuunganisha wananchi 1,000,000 wengine wapya katika huduma ya stima kila sehemu ya taifa letu la Kenya. Kwa sababu hiyo ndio kazi mlitupatia na mimi nawahakikishia hiyo ndio kazi tutatimiza. Na hiyo program inaendelea. Nikiongea na nyinyi saa hizi mumeona magari za hapa. Nimetoka hapa kijiji yenu hii, nimekutana na mtu anaitwa Simon Arap Nyango hapo. Yeye na wenzake wa hapo tumewapatia milioni 14. Tumeunganisha manyumba 386 kwa huduma ya stima. Hiyo program iko complete na hii ingine inasonga mbele. Tunaelewana jameni?
Nkiripotera Miru TV mbita Jeff Wagitumamu.
Na tugitigana na ripoti tuketha tugicoka aja kaunti ya Meru na nawe uria wari gavana wa Meru wa ugatene nwe Peter Gatiraumunya nombete kwithirwa akiaria ntuku ya narua ari rutere ro Southimenti na aragomba kuwa we mwaka jora tutete jwa 2027 akethirwa agite gitio kiki ungavana na kenda omba kwithirwa akiretera Ameru weti na mbere burakuwa butikomba kwithirwa bukionekana kagitene gaka. Akiaria Munyanguruki na ugite we mirandi ya wera ombete kwithirwa akithithia gitarira ari ngavana tawaka masibitari na Kenya irasi vya ECDE nibigitete na mbere kwithirwa bikioneka Kenya kagitene oka na nikyo gitumi hakuromba Ameru bethirwa bakimucoke gitene kiringi mwaka wa 2027. Jeff Gituma na Nteto Nguruki.
Mwathani antethia ndacoka 2027 nkwenda coka itine kia ngavana. Na itebia kuthurwo twira wa Karomba kana withirwo muntu rukuno tunakuwa Karomba kakwende mbura ya bau itethia kuthurwo ibiantu bo bonthe katiba Kenya nitigrete muntu weta atia kuromba ende waigua munyana kuromba wethero tendete munyo kaibwo mbaya ate kwero munya akendo ibonthe ndu rochindano rano endero ibarambi baraba ingi ibo democracy itau todo anaerio tongeria muno reto kithurana tuile live watu kuthura ibakari no ntu bathura baita kurita ngwe ciao cietu kwena bara baithara baina lengo ya kuthurwa baitira antu ngwe na kinya bakrita cio na kwe baithara baina lengo ya bathurwa baita kurita cio ake baita wikuria na into biao biantu ibo ntorimo na ari mukono mwathurwa mantu yakendelea bwe ona chukuru ciakwa cibitari ciakwa ndawa ciekirwa cibitari ne barabara cia bwithwa ndwe ciekirwa ukona onge othura bio bionthe bikathira na mbecha ichi ekiri budget ne kawanza kaiweta igita atia ikiongeleka nete onto kubukara ou kaba mubethera bathuri bateno rungikia au merinda ari kwinda chumakia muno no rungikia ibo ntu waita primary school akwechionde chi na class ya ici ndinda akire kuongela kenge kwina cibitari nyinge muno ndakire na ndrongela imwe ciaki irongelo inge ande abu kwenda Maria muno ate campaign ire thai campaign ya kinyanko burikania tu indatire kirikana kinyawe imwe kurure kundine kira kya kubio kwenda otie imbi kirikana ire kinyawo karikana erwa itare akureta atia rea kinyawo ntore akinyara weta dia ya mbecha ibiare obimwe byakwire bingi tukathuranira bire byakwire tone ibiarere bibye ko tubyegerenya biendelee zaidi na kinya bibya Selina bienu bya Selina na timwe tubwate twatanire tore amwe tuite kuraya
na tugitigana na ripoti yu ni ati nakio gikundi kimwe kira kikumenyekana ya The New Dawn kira kithera kikithetera kioto kio muntu na mbono bethirite bagitumiria na kumeneria ngavana wa Meru Noe Kawira Mwangaza no ntu bwawe kwithirwa akirungika wandikani bura burombite kwithirwa bugikirwa mangathetine bwa ariti ngugi ba county bakiaria na ndi gikundi giki ni bogwite ati Kawira Mwangaza atena kiao na mwana wa Mumeru na mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Jeff arina sionkuruki.
Public Service Board kulingana na sheria ile ya County Government Act baetaba advertise positions akwingirie mwe kenda ayuthi ba Meru bomba kwandikwa twanyene tutu no ntwina sibitari nkurukie 67 na mugwanja itina nasi nyomwe twina classes nkurukie 150 na aria guti alimu batikumba kwitha banganito ketha mwalimu mona kuritana alitwa akimana alitwa nkurukie gana na baandikine aciari na ninge rutero rwa agriculture irio mugongo jwa Meru kirere ijaira tontu bu ni ontu bwa kwithikira sana kiru tongeri wa Meru CEO account jawe governor wa Meru ura wa impeachirwe weta kauga agu cancel wandikani bwa ana ba bonde imanto ja kwithikira sana inko dogania akiugo ukalenda agenda gwiria antu na ale ome but the fact ya manto kire sheria atena powers at all siago cancel recruitment powers iriraige Public Service Board na ngauga antu bakathome sheria eu kuma gacunje ka 50 na ijire monka 53 ikonanite very well powers Public Service Board lakini nonto noe acting no ko act ja mutongerio wa Meru monka nande isawa sawa nonto botumira powers chiawe ende nkaigua ntatwere tumite ya cancelled ikwiri baragereje gupasuendi kana kwaririe Public Service Board akiuga gaewe twanya 50 which means tulende gwita tukagia thina ojora ria ringi alimu ba nursery schools bandikira kwena gukumania bo wingi bona bakiritaga mbecha na mwisho ne kwagia thina kirima schools zetu na antu ba Meru ibakurikana ikwandi bataisikari kwandikwa aligitani ba sibitari kana nurses and medical officers na yatupirwa mbali kaire ono nto manto yegie mbecha no history iraichokera so ntupo Public Service Board ronga menikidete nontu burungame na mwananchi wa Meru nagwe muyuthi uri nja nare kwi bangu bombete na mungana ri ukinya miaka 40 kana nyankuruki na batomba kuandikwa rungameni na bwite sauti yenu kenda bakuthikirika ndene ya Meru iji tutomba kwaria mantu ja wage bill cibitari cietu itena antu tutomba kwaria mantu wa wage bill irasibia press cube itena antu tutomba kwaria mantu wa wage bill kwena shortage ya manpower in the county barabara chinja wachieta cibitari ende gukethwa cibitari iu itena ore kuritira ngugiku barabara ikethwa ititeu barabara chinja wachieta machukuru ethra chukuru iu itena muntu okumimani itena mwalimu barabara iu ni egwitau therefore it is very low level thinking mutongeria kurungama ambiria kwaria mantu wa wage bill na riria yukaya antu akaandika antu bangi bareagwa na M-Pesa ataragia mantu wa wage bill. County Public Service Board, like has been said, na mandate chiayo. Let them ignore with the contempt deserving mantra the acting governor.
Kawira Mwangaza michemanyo nere taga yonde kando alia chiayo chionde araia mantu ja kana Kameru na akiuga na karetia kana Kameru na kana Kameru gatiringithwa ende iturarigarire riria kuraere kwina twanya twa kwandikana nonto cibitari cietu citena ariti bangugi na kinya ikethira itena ariti bangugi kinya ndawo tecio riria ana betu banasare bakwenda aritani bo baitana cukuru nyingi itena aritani.
Ni bwega sana mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Jeff Gituma nonto wa ripoti yu na gwitena mbere kwithirwo gitiretera ripoti ingi injega nkuruki na ndeto gitikana na Nteto na kwithira tugicoka rutere-ini rungi ni ati nabo aritwa arimu na kinya bamwe ba aciari nibethiritwe bakiciumiria basukuru ya Mary Mother of God kana Mikidori Girls ira iri ndene ya gicigo gia Tigania East bethetwe bagiciumiria na gikeno gikinene na rabetite na mbere na kwithirwa bagikungwira mpumi injega cia kigerio kira kirakurukire na rabethiritwe cukuru nandi igikuruka bwega akiaria mwarimu munene wa cukuru no nombete kwithirwa akiuga nibethiritwe bakiwata mini grade ya 7.2 kuma kirira bombete kwithirwa bari nyo mwaka ya 2023 ya 5.1 mwaka ya 2023 nkuruki aritwa baba igana na rimwe ria 29 nibakwirigirwa na ndibethiritwe bakiwata alama injega na irikomba kwithirwa ikibaikia university no mwandiki wetu wa Nteto kuma rutere ru Adams na gutwambiriria cio.
Nenkero na kuiro kunene kuma kirari cha Mary Mother of God Mikidori Girls Secondary School bakungwera mpumi njaga cha kigerio ke KCSE.
Ndenchuga kigerio gietu ni kiega na kigerio gietu kibwete muno gutino akonge twarona minia 7.1 plus netwekarite miaka mingi muno last 5 years tuteonete minio kinya 7 but today 7.1 plus that is arutwa baba inge
baikungwira kuriuka kwa nchamba ya kithomo aroka kaita kambere burunyu ma miaka kathomba ya kwitha kiongo muthetune ntuko irwa riba chumirite na chamba kungwira minisco 7.12 kuma ke minisco 5.7 mwaka no 2023 na arari tweka na remura 29 bawatite Green Church University.
Leo tuko na furaha ya kwamba tumepata results and great improvement from previous results. Since 2000, this is the first time tumepata A- tatu. A total of 129 students have C+ and above. That is 64.4% transition to the university. Last year, was our mean 2023 was 5.7, which was a C. But today we have managed 7.12, which is a C+.
We have worked really hard the last year, and we hope even the continuing years we will improve our results. We thank our principal for giving us a good environment and really encouraging everybody to ensure that we work hard to achieve our target. We had targeted a mean of 7.0 and now we are at 7.1. The target that we have for this year 2025 is 8.0 and we hope God is going to take us there.
Kuringana na mwarimu mnene wa skuru wete yukite ngotano ya arimu aricho achiaria muno community utira bakwata mpumi njega oraba wete mwaka yo bakweregira kwata misko ya 8.0.
Community yetu led by the leaders bere wa santi muno ne support yera ba ombete gutwa kanda to achieve the mean of 7.1 baenke the robert to ejaga peace. Then Tutiumba will achieve that in grade. But they have given us peace, supported us in all our activities.
We are so grateful for this day. I would like to tell you it's the desire to unlock your full potential that will make you to get a good grade. If you are determined and you want to score a good grade, have that desire, have the desire to unlock your full potential. Personally, I had many challenges. I didn't attend school in my Form 3 class. I missed school for 2 terms. My dad was requesting me to repeat, but I insisted that I want to continue because I knew that I will do well. And definitely here I am. I am a happy student. I'm proud to say that I was a girl from Mikidori Girls. I wish to pursue law. I want to be a lawyer, and I'm grateful that I'm going to do it. I'm gonna make it.
Nonto kwa matokeo ya mea yara skuru ye kwa kana skuru era mwana kwa arare ka concepta era umire ne yokwo matokeo ya mea muno ukuluka kwa B+ te musetho bila ta success rimwe itimu akabugethura babu boko watanira kuma aritwa kuma arimbo kuma asiari ikethrongo ubu ndibo watanirite
muthi bachokerete mubunge wesho mbunge ikitiganiste mpora boring kadho ikiraba kuwa na thiritari mustari wa mbere wikira kithomo na njira mwanya mono baikenero teithio mbere kwithira karito bakaitene karabarera chekiruki
ndenkienda kuga omunde twena gekeno ne kwithirwa etwe support ne community no specifically mweshimiwa Mporo Abole nejire goko a sponsor anabeto na mushele egitare a KCSE ale bauba twekire very comfortable batora bakenete bakire mushele na te kawaida as a school sukuru eno totio toeba ya mushele tukojiele kwa kiumia lakini egitare akegerio success yetu ana bakenete bakire mushele ona kigerio no buge kabwa na kigerio ikirabuire kwagu mweshimiwa Mporo elewe netokenete na kigerio ikiabuire no ntobwa support na ti support yake omunde we are able to get water from a school bowl that he commissioned in this school kwagu shukrani zieto mweshimiwa Mporo ailewe elewe. Actually we are happy and we love him. And he continues supporting education in this particular sub-county.
Nkiripoti na Meru TV kumatia ni Betanda Msimoturia wa Thirinja.
Ni bwega sana nonto bachukuru kombeta kuthurikithithia bwega ruterene rwatigania na narete kumara rutere rwatigania tukwamba kwithia tugicoka rutere rwa Mburi na mwandiki wetu wa Nteto kuma rutere ru Els Mutegi kinya wakombeta kuthura kithiurunga macukuru mwanya nomba kwithirwa agituretera ripoti ithi.
We live as brothers and comrades.
Peace, love and harmony. Eni chukuru ya nthaka ya Ontorere Boys, chukuru ira ye kithakani buru karibu na kirima kia Mount Kenya. Bara bombite gukenera mpumi cha kilasi kia 2024 araba irite ritongoro kia igana rimwe ria Kibao University.
And we are grateful to God that we've been able to attain mean score of 7.04, an improvement of 1.52, and also extremely glad to God that 123 out of 178 students have managed the minimum entry for university, that's C+ and above. So 69.1% of our candidates have transited or will transit the university.
The 2024 class was a forecast class. It was disciplined. We really thank God about it. We were able to cover the syllabus early enough, and that is what enabled us to achieve the mean score of 7.04.
I want to thank everybody for the participation and the role you played, because these results we cannot attribute them to one person, but the cooperation of everybody, teachers, the stakeholders, and also our candidates.
Akiaria mwarimu munene wa cukuru ino Jacob Mwongera Rutere na taririti itumi kathumba bira biombete gutema bagakinyithia minisco ya 7.04.
Wanafunzi ambao walifanya mtihani mwaka jana walikuwa 178 na 123 out of 178 wamepata alama C+ and above. Kwa hivyo wameweza kuingia university, which translates to 69.1%. Na this I think great improvement because last year wale ambao walikuwa wamefaulu kuingia university walikuwa wanafunzi 35 out of 130 students who had done the exam. Naweza kusema kwamba wanafunzi hao wamefanya vizuri kwa sababu ya kuweza kushirikiana na walimu. Wameweza kutusikiza na tuliweza kumaliza hasa mtaala wetu kwa wakati uliofaa, na tukaweza kuwa na muda wa kufanya marejeleo kabla ya kuingia katika mtihani ambao ni wa mwisho. Pia tulishirikiana sana na walimu, na nataka kuwashukuru sana walimu kwa sababu ya kule kushirikiana na wanafunzi, kujaribu kuwaongoza vyema hata wakati ambapo pengine kidogo kunatokea changamoto hapa na pale. Walimu walichukulia kama wazazi, na hivyo basi kuweza kuwasaidia wale wanafunzi. The Mbondo management, the parents, they have been very cooperative. The office has been very cooperative, and that is why we have been able to get the grade that we have gotten. We are very happy for the performance of the year 2024.
Na nontontorere boys niyo cukuru ira itongoretie kiri gicigo mbunge kia Mburi. Wirigiro bwarimu na arito na ati nkinya kigerio kia mwanka uyu bagakuruka nkuruki.
As much as we are the first one in Mburi, we are looking forward to take new territories, that is the Meru County, to be competing with the giant schools like Meru School and the other national school.
Ni mwanzo wa mwaka na mwanzo wa kila kitu, tunasema matarajio huwa juu. Na kwa sasa, kwa sababu hawa ambao walimaliza mwaka uliopita wamefanya vizuri, tunajua hata hawa ambao wako wataweza kutia bidii, na tunajua hata hao watapata alama mzuri.
Before the 2024, we only took 35 students to the university, but this time round we are doing a 123. So we are looking forward even next year to do better.
For as far as this year is concerned, 2025, we even have a bigger class candidates in terms of numbers. We have over 200 candidates this year, and we expect they are going to do even much better from the way we have been preparing them since they were in Form 1.
This year pia tutaperform vizuri, na pia high number of students pia wataenda university pia.
Yeah, we feel very proud for the results of Metuen College at more. Now we also look forward to do more and more better, kwa sababu the way they have performed, we really have tufuate vile wamefanya.
So we are aiming something higher than them.
Kumontolere gicigo mbunge kia Mburi ngiripotera Meru TV niyo kambitaga ki Mutegi.
Kithero akiri gikeno gikinene igitarira muciari ona mwana we akithithia bwega kiri cukuru kana kiri mathomo jawe, na nikio gitumi gutwika kinya ana bongo ibakwibang'aniri na ndi na baina gikeno gikinene nontu bakwithirwa bakurukite na kuwata max imbia cia kubaikia antu au angi kana university na mwathani tena mbere kwithirwa akibatethi na ndi tukimaruka rutere rwa buri tukomba kwitha tugicoka rutere rwa igembe na arakinya cukuru irombete kwithirwa ikithithia bubwega itithiritwe igitigirwo nyuma ibasiumirite na kuonania gikeno kiao na njira enene na ara mwandiki wetu wa ndeto kuma rutere ru Faith Nkunja kinya wakombete kwithirwa akiriungira cukuru yu na turetera report yu.
We have been celebrating for the last 10 years. Celebration is our culture.
Nä kä rä å kå ngå ri bwa mpumi cia ciari bia form 4 na må no kä rä cukuru iria cia kwana kana ndä ntere cia Gembe North iria marire ndä secondary school rere na mini square 6.4 ikä tia na 165 university lenjoka ndä bari na mini square 6 na Antobetwa ndä school na babari na mini square 5.1 araba umire to kå ra mpumi na kuonania keno kio no ntoba kwithira ni bongelete mini square igi.
Last year turari na rito 121 ba turaiketie university kwethira tuiketie ana 165 university mwaka yo. That's a great improvement for us. No to tena grade ya D minus. The least grade that we have is a D plus. I mean a D plain na neana badha to wakebe na D plain.
Tuweta mbere na plus positive 2.5 from last year. Last year we had 4.6, so tumepanda zaidi.
Turari na aritwa 141 na mini yetu endelea guitia ya kinya 5.1.
Vile tumekuwa na idadi kubwa ya wanafunzi katika kidato cha 4, tulitarajia kwamba tungeshuka, lakini Mungu ni mwema. Licha ya kuwa na wanafunzi 141, bado tunaendelea kupanda na alama ya kwenda chuo kikuu imepanda hadi 54.
Tore arimbo na onde principal wa Marire Secondary School. We are doing our best for the school na support ya tongeria bantore kana kinya constituency to bachokire nkatho sana no toba kuroma na batwe
na riu kiri arimu baba kiari ni baweta kwathika na kuwatanira na arimu amwe na aciari bo ni bobotometa bomba kwethira bakiwata grade mbeya.
Arito beto very disciplined. Kutoba kuthogena result mbeya without arito kuthogena discipline. Result itioneka kutena hard work. Result itioneka kutena total cooperation ke all the team players.
Ke discipline. Sukuru ni ina discipline dene ge mbere yonde na ne itirari nyana na bai na mimba bakithithie igerio biao itucokeria mwathani katho no tunyantha kasietu indisciplined
na kile skuru ya Lenjoka Ndĩ School era interest ya Rwanda ende mwarimu mnene na kwa tibaki kwethera bawete grade bawete nebethaira bekilukira thina nkabo na muno sumbura ninja unteriu na kinya wa giboroe.
It's a very semi-arid place. Kinya twithina inene muno ya fees, lakini no kuona aritwa uria machiumetie ona thina uyu cia kurea fees makaumba kuperform. Roi katuguraga every week lazima tununue maji, hatuna maji kabisa, tutegemea rui rwa mbura na mbura ya thira tunanunua maji. Sasa insecurity like now right down here kwena njou ila itumaritwa makara ya shukuru mapema, so sometimes huwa inatu affect. So manto yao yonde akaga taken care of, security akaga taken care of. Tukona kinya utethio from maybe tukona ta relief food. Even some of our girls here, they need sanitary towels. Magachiona our resorts chaomba kwaga improved so much.
Kate Potra Mero TV kumembe beta mukiri onkonja
na tukimaruka rutere nuru egombe na tuketha tukiringa gataru mwanka rutere ne rwachuka igamba ng'ombe na aria kinyabo cukurire rombete kwithira ikithithia bubwega kire kigerio giki kinyabo ni bombete kwithirwa bati kwitha gikeno kiao nontu bwa ana bara barombete kwithira bagikuruka bubwega no mwandiki wetu wa nteto kuma rutere rumurimi mbogo kinyana akuriungirite cukuru mwanya mwanya na turetera nteto ina njira ndaja.
No icukuru ya Kambandi High School igikungwira mpumiro imbega cia kigerio kia KCSE mwaka wa 2030 bombite kugwata minisco ya 4.3 mari maumira mega kiri mianka 10 mikuruku araba toro bakinyithia minisco ya 4 kairi.
Last year twaina ciana 75 mara marutha kigerio kia national examination. Now to mau twatetete target yetu to 4.5. This year tutaumbire gukinya 4.5 na kini turaumbire gukinya 4.2. Target yera twasetete. Tetwegwa ngai atorotherete mauntu manene muno thiini wa skuru eno nuntu for the last 10 years. Skuru eno itanethirwa ina mean ya 4. No last year mwathani no atubotithirie kwithirwa twina mean ya 4.2. Na unu nuntu aguciokeria ngai nkatho muno.
Akiaria na andiki bantheto mwalimu munene Miriam Kithinji augite ibairite ana 10 university na bobo bunthe bumanitie na ngwataniro embega ya alimu bacukuru eno.
Twina twana over 10 maria mathiete in the university na nditukwegua tukenete muno. Unto tinkia bothekire utena management ya board kwethirwa mari thiini wa skuru ethirwa ina turina support ya aciari na nimenda guciokia nkatho muno nuntu wa teaching staff the team.
Arito bara bathiete university bakionania gikeno kiago kugwata maxi mbega kiri kigeranio gikuruku.
Faulu kupata alama ya bahasi kwa support ya walimu wetu na wanafunzi pia wametupatia, na tunatumania kwenda hapo university kuwa na matokeo mazuri pia.
Nabatire ku score B-. Tukwenda gwakwa no ni kwenda kwa ngai na support ya alimu nimenda gutika dagitari after here.
Mbende ku join campus na ntwike wa gupass unasi.
Ala cukuru yengira yandikithitie mpumi mbega icukuru ya Kiereni High School. Ara kinya bongerete minisco hamwe na arito bara bathiete university.
So karibuni sana Kiereni.
Kiripo Terameru TV kuma gicigo mbunge gia Chuka igamba ng'ombe mbita murimi wa mbogo.
Hatukiuma ruka rutero Chuka igamba ng'ombe tukethira nagro tukiringa gataruka irio mwanka ruterene rwa Tharakanithi na arakinya boskuru irio rombete kwithira ikithithia bubwega ni bombete kwithira bagikungwira na gwicokeria nkatho nontu bwaritwara na kinyarimo nontu bwangugira barombete kwithira bakirita no mwandiki wetu wa nteto kuma rutere runwe David Dagara na nteto nkuruki.
Nyuma ya mbomi jagere ya KCSE kurekerwa ntigo ya igori mucha chukuriro thite bwega gakichigo munge kia Tharaka itiromba kwethera ikitha gikeno kiao. Arantu ya munde chukuriro thite bwega chumbire kwethera gitinda thokoni mwanya kweresa gikeno kiao. Ya mbere ni chukuru ya riani rayombire kwethera gitinda thokoni ya mukothi makweresa gikeno giki.
My name is John Kirago, Principal Iriani Secondary School. Our 2024 candidates, they did very well. Actually, they exceeded our expectation because our target last year was 5.5 and our candidates exceeded the expectation. They got 5.7. That class was big, 372 candidates who sat for the exam. They were disciplined boys and girls. They did well. We are taking 93 students to university. And we are expecting this year, we have over 400 candidates who are going to do us proud also, and we are expecting and praying that we take more than Now, discipline goes hand in hand with the performance.
Students of 2024 have done us proud. Wherever they are, let me say congratulations to them, and we know next year we are going to perform extremely unlike what we have done last year.
We really appreciate to our teacher. We are very happy, very happy. This year we are taking more than 300 students to university.
Also, I want to congratulate our parents because of how they have been maintaining us here well. When you be sent home, they pay for us a school fee in time and get back to school.
Chukuru yengera yombete kwethora kirotha bwake chukuru ya mukothi mande. Ara bombete wetia nkathe kuma kire pointi ira bagwete tieri wetia monka pointi 5. Kethero rimwe ya chukuru iro thite bwega muno agicigo mbunge kia Tharaka.
Wamepata
kwenda university wanafunzi 4. Hatujapata D wala D- wala E. Minisco tumeimprove kutoka 2.04 to 5.03. Viara tunaenda mpaka 6.7, hata ikipita 7 ni sawa ama namna gani? We are looking forward because we have resources. We have very strong and hardworking supportive staff and the teachers. And we hope that next year all things shall be very well. Kila mtu atakuja hapa kula ng'ombe.
Kwa upande wa wale wamebaki, sisi tunafuata. Tuweke juhudi. We shall do it well.
Nyomogunala sekondari ararito 30 bakarĩrĩte kĩgerio gĩkĩ. Arito 23 bakĩthi university arabombĩte kũgwata Minisco ya 7.5 irai kuongera kuma kere Minisco 6.9 bagwete kabere.
Familia yote ya Mugunana inasherekea matokeo mazuri. Mwaka uliopita tulikuwa na wanafunzi 30 na kwa wanafunzi 30, wanafunzi 23 waliweza kupata alama ya C+ and above, na waliobaki 7 walipata alama ya C, na Minisco ya shule yetu ni 7.563 ambayo ni B-. Juu kutoka mwaka uliopita tulikuwa na Minisco ya 6.9 na ndio Minisco ya juu zaidi tangu Mugunana ilipoanzishwa, na wanafunzi wengi zaidi kwa mwaka mmoja wameweza kupata alama ya kuingia university.
I'm in form 4, nazidi kuombea hadi form 4 wenzangu tukaweze kupita vyema, tukaweze kusherekea kama tunavyosherekea siku ya leo waliofaulu vyema mwaka uliopita.
Betwanene kuma kere arimo babaga kechigo munge kya Tharaka.
The community, our leaders, let them support our schools. Let them support all the schools, because these schools are the ones who can accommodate our students. We have very many young children at home who are not schooling. Let these schools have facilities, physical facilities. Like Iriani is a bit congested, but I'm calling upon the leaders, our government, to continue constructing this school so that it can accommodate as many as possible. It started as a small day school, today it is a giant school.
Ugo kali wogu nyo tukurengera yombete kurutha bwega muno agichigo munge kya Tharaka ikathanga cheni ndi irana ni tiburu kuma wandia gatongere na murito wete grade kuma gichigo munge kya Tharaka ngiripotera Meru TV rito kambita ndagara waiguna.
Na tukimaruka rutere ne rwa Tharaka nyingi na ndito kwamba kuda tugichoko kaire aja kaunti ya Meru rutere rwa Imenti na rano mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Jeff agituma kinya wakombete kuthirwa akiriunga ntere mwanya kana kiri cukuru mwanya nomba kuthirwa hagikungwira wamona aciari na arimu na arito bara wakombete kuthirwa bekungwira ntere niu rende amba kuthirwa agituretera ripoti iyi.
Nayo cukuru yari agakuni kuma egojiria baruguru niumirite na gukungwira mpumi ni are kinya mwarimu munene augite cukuru eu ni etongerete kiri sub county ya Igoji kiri cukuru ciari ira cirike sub county eje ya Igoji.
Turachivire Minisco ya 6.43 up from 5.1 twena improvement ya 1.3 tokena tweka the best girls school in the whole of Igoji sub-county tosindetwe national Igoji sub-county tongora twene sukuru emwake national school St. Mary's Girls na in the old Imenti South toratongoretwe ne Ngobo High School na Gwene Girls. So now we became position 3 overall in Imenti South.
as an extra county school. That is a great achievement. Neto gushokeria Murungu ngatho nonto bwa results hiu tugituika makugwata a mean of 6.4 iria itanagwatwa ni Gakuni Girls kuma riria yambiririe kwogu tuyo twina gikeno muno tugisherekea this mean na kuga ona bau bangi bari nyuma Gakuni Girls ni tugo expect next year 2026 a mean of 7 nonto ne twisenga iwetu ari moyo na nare tumete ni kukurasa na utukinyete ni tuonete njara yae
augite kithomo giki kiagirite bunene nonto bwa ngwataniro ya arimu aritwa aciari na kinya tongeria bakithomo ntere iji.
We did a lot of work to prepare those candidates for the exam. We were able to encourage them to improve on their self-esteem. We were also able to encourage them to reduce the negative peer influence. We also encourage them to produce their 75% work because teachers will only provide 25% and the girls worked very hard and that is why the results are that way. We are also encouraging the coming class to take an example from the students who left last year so that our target next year of 7.0 we shall be able to achieve it.
Niare kinya nterecha centro imenti chukuru ya Mwanganthia ya secondary aumirite kinya bo gukenera bunene mpumi ciao.
To be specific, we got the best results ever that this school has ever gotten. We got a mean of 5.325, an improvement from last year 2023 or 4.9. We want to thank God. We want to thank God because we had done a lot with our candidates. We burnt midnight oil with them. We invited the parents to work with us this journey, and surely they did. The members of the board came and gave their support, and we want to appreciate that with this kind of concerted effort, we've been able to achieve what we prayed for. We want to thank God because this surely is an answered prayer.
At least we managed to get 2A-. Sisi tumeweza kupeleka watoto 27 university. Wale wako na C+ and above. Hata last year results zimetokana sababu ya sisi sote kushirikiana. Na hata sasa tuko na mipango. Nataka kuwahimiza hao wetu sasa hizi results zinaanzia, tuko na wanafunzi hapa. Tunapanga mikakati. Next year tuwe na hata mingi. Tu attain mean grade ile iko juu zaidi.
Ni areba kiaria bachokeretie mujumbe wa centro imenti nkatho nuntu bakuba gwatambaru na nande kuria mujumbe uju kwithira akibatwaria na mbasi nikenda kithomo gikethira gikiagira.
Nchokia nkatho nontu bwa arimu betu, nchokia nkatho nontu bwa arito betu, nchokia nkatho nontu bwa aciari betu, na inya nchokia nkatho nontu bwa mweshimiwa wetu na tweja ambasari hindi gigitari ara tukinyete gatukoromba na gitio gikinene gukombika hagatwa ambasi ya uria ete skuru ingi twagwirwa mono.
Nkera Ngai bwega for the good results na nkathankia our administration ithirite support system kiribatu just staff and nkenda ku encourage girl child inyabu bagetete bwega lakini nkera girl child bwendere gutiumia. It is possible, it is doable. Next year kinyate no tumbe ku that celebrate a girl na minor kana plan na it is possible girl child.
The current form 4s 2025, the current form 3s and form 2s, because they have seen it, they have experienced it, and we want to encourage them that the sky is not even the limit. It should remain the lower limit. We want to encourage them that they continue working very closely with the teachers, they remain disciplined, they remain focused, they remained committed, and we know that we are headed for bigger performance and achievement.
Nkiripotera Meru TV mbita Jeff Wagitumam.
nawe mheshimiwa Kailemia ura ni mujumbe wa Ekuroja kaunti ya Meru ntuku ya Narua na kombete kwithirwa akiliungira cukuru mwanya mwanya na kwithirwa akiayana mbeca mung'ana yua milioni 10 cia mbasari kiri aritwa ndeni ya cukuru mwanya mwanya ntuku ura kwithiritwe bukionane nandi nombite kwithirwa agikira bunene kithomo nguruki Kailemia kiari netete na mbere na kwithirwa akiuria atongeri baja kaunti ya Meru kwithirwa bakiwatanira na kinya kwithirwa bari na thiri nikienda Meru yumba kwithirwa igita na mbere mwandiki wetu wa Nteto MC Mwito Ngano na kombite kwithirwa ikinya ntuneu na turetera ripoti ije.
Mheshimiwa Karabu Kailemia ntuku ya Narua nonanitie kurita ngugi ya kurigaria aria ombite kwithirwa akiejana ceki cia basari cia nkuruki ya milioni 10 akiaria augite uju
160 demotiari akwenda kuigwa kama no ke arimu barabara yao na beyond nuntu bwa kumpomeria ibigo wale mwepandika akabarua nuntu mbecha cia thirikari ciena mutaratara ombo mbera njukerie mwana na mbecha ina ndija na ndi tuthiretie twandikite cheki cia 10 million over 10 million na ndi gukeja rojo ambera we mwana wengi skuru untumbo mujwira mbecha cia thirikari na ninkaringira mwarimu nkamwira njukerie mwana ende we kinya kagita fulani ngautumira mbecha na nno ndira yoja muciari onania ruterero kana
au ni Meru School, makofi kwa Meru School tafadhali. Asante.
Hiyo ni Meru School, thank you mwalimu. Nikiwaita tena munisikize. Eno tumbuga ito njukiria kana kau ngwatera no meriere kecha. And nandam kwenda kubone nyani barayama. Nante na rando nande Meru School. Thank you very much. Go and register a staff. Go and register there at the front. Kikomene girls, my girls, what is it? Check here 80,000 na ingine ya 165. Kwa ubinera ndore unkorea third term na mbuga first term.
Wapi makofi? Wanafunzi Kikomene girls tafadhali tugia hapo kwa picha.
Ngabora ile hapo rigara. That was 1977. No, Mari Monti, you can't answer. Kikomene girls, that's my school. Ambererwe Society Kawa, and I hope the same is going on like those days. Kaga girls.
Kaga girls tafadhali. Ndio mwalimu kutoka Kaga Girls.
Wanafunzi wako kuja because they have a function. When exam ile ya kugura chukuru kwa batenge mbakweja because of the exam they have 165,000.
Makofi 165,000 Kaga Girls.
Is there another one? No. Kobu boys, there are 9 of them. Na cheki yao ni ya 110. Kithirone mbona mwalimu?
Kithirone kwa mwalimu ndio mwalimu kutoka Kithirone.
Kana twana twerende na huo Kithirone girls na bana na cheki yao ya 20,000 this term.
Makofi 20,000 Kithirone. God bless.
Ndio barua yao no ndetere receipt. We have to account for every penny. Kaga boys, ejangeni boys.
Kaga boys.
My handsome boys.
Wakitokea shule ya upili ya Kaga Boys.
Kaga Boys.
Kabisa.
Tena bada to know. Na walimu hata yeye ni Gen Z naona. Gato mwalimu. Tuko na hapa a young teacher. I'm sure is anakuambia vile aligrow. Mtoto kuraja mpembe. Mumogogure na midhamo. And he looks like he's a good teacher. He teaches you good behaviors to become a powerful man like himself. Sindio? Thank you very much. Salimia walimu wengine na mwalimu mkuu. Mwambie aendelee kunisaidia hivyo hivyo. Asante.
Na jau ni John Derek kwithirwa nkiona na nkigua mbita MC Mwito Ngangi kuripotera ndene ya Meru TV North Menti.
Na tugitigana na ripoti una nito kwamba kwithira tugita ruterene rungi nara nawe Bridget Mwende ura no kuma rutere rwa Kamau rutere-ini rwa Igembe nombite kwithirwa kinya bagichumirie na kuona ni gikeno kiawe kinene nyuma yawe kwithirwa akiwata alama ya A plane ndene ya kigerio kiawe na arathoma ira cukuru yari ya Chuka Girls. Akiaria Bridget netete na mbere kwithirwa kinya gitara arite bara bangi batigi cukuru na kubera ni bethairo bakiathika na kinya kwithirwa bakiritaniria gikithomo. Akiaria na wengina wa Bridget ura wethiritwo kinya bakionania gikeno gikinene no ntubo mwana wawe kwithirwa akiwata alama imbea no netete na mbere na kuwa agwitikia ati gutikumakania ara muntu umite indi kira gikumakania na kira gikintu gietumi muno ni kintu kira kiri akiri-ini mwana nontu nikio kiumba utuma mwana akomba kwithirwa agikuluka bwega ndene ya cukuru indi tikumania kinyana na araumite muno no mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Faith Nkunja na akombete kwithirwa akiriungira families na aturetera ripoti iu.
Na kirempu misasi Elibia Form 4 endi mwari omwe kuona rietwa Bridget Mwende kuma Teresa Kamau urora thomaira Chuka Girls na iwatirite ngirendi yawe ya A-plane akiwa arienda kubwithia kosi ya neurosurgeon gaitene kara onanitie kuwirwo kwawe na riu na atarite kinya aritwa bara bangi.
I studied at Chogoria Girls High School. Today I'm humbled to have you here. So like when results zilitoka nilipata niko na A-plane ya 83 point. I was so happy. It wasn't easy and just couldn't expect because at first when you did the exam it was somehow tough. So I was just praying to God that anipe hiyo grade yenye nilikuwa nataka from nilikuwa mtoto mdogo. After doing the KCPE result, I joined Chogoria Girls. So like imenifunza mengi. The moment we went to the contest, we went to so many contests, so like ilikuwa inakupea motisha ya kusoma and kufollow advice ya walimu, like chenye tu atakwambia unafanya, ya wazazi pia, and even the student at school walikuwa wanaku-encourage. Most I would like to do bachelor in medicine and I'm hoping that I get a scholarship to study abroad.
Na riu kiri muciari wa Bridget akionania kino kiawe na kuwa mtu atibati kwithira akimakui kuntu kuraumite inde bira biene itumi ni ucio mea mathomo na kira kine itumi buru ni kira kiri akiri-ini.
Bonthe ba Chogoria Girls bonthe baibi bacogeretu ngatho ni family yetu na muno tumite mashinani Kamau muntu no aci ina baba umite lakini atona ko umite tikuo onto lakini bibi kiongo yaku bibi kauwa woru being kuthikana na ndairi success mwarimu wetwa Mr. Kenyua class teacher ona berere umuntu nandikire muciari success na kunje na kangazeti eta muthanie surprise ko mwana ne ira ndetera ka success ka kunji ndaci mbinge tumurare ndona mbandikiri windenda kuma no doctor on neurosurgeon ko na eu ne ngirendu arawatire A-plane ya 83 point nkwira murungu ibweya na itokoromba murungu amwetithie level wenge na neurosurgeon weu ambibwithie ana bange ibathikirie aciari ibathikirie arimo na muno barombe murungu no aya na grade na muntu nelewe uwezo bwake na arite ngui akiminya kwina murungu rori ana.
Nkiripotera Meru TV kuma Kamau Igembe North Beta Mukiri Onkonja.
Kiri batwi na Meru TV furatanite tukawibwega sana kiri aritwa arimu na kinya aciari no ntuko kwithira bagicapoti arita bara bakomba kwithira bakiona kanya kega kuthoma na kinya kwithira bakiba environment mbega ya kuthoma na kinya kiri arimu kwithira bagicitaniria gutigira arita baba kwithira bagukuruka bwega arita nya bagutoka bwire ibwega no ntuko kwithira bukimenyera aciari bakwithira bakiritaniria muno nikenda buthoma na bukomba kwithira bukithoma na bukawata grade imbega mwathanyete na mbere kwithira akibutharima kinya bara batomba kwithira bakiwata grade mbese wita university rikana thai kwina TVET na kwina polytechnics inyingi sana ndene matura yetu yara mwana mpa kwithira agitaka kwithira akithithiria mantu mwanya yegie mantu yotea mantu jobundi mantu ya kuthithia mitundu na mantu jangi ya maingi ukona kosi yaku no komba kwitana mbere kwithira ogitethia kimuturire yaku ibwega no ntu bara bonde bakurukite ibwega no ntu bonde bakarire kigerio ni ibwega no ntu bwaritura montu bwarimo na kinyasi no ntu bakuba support imbega oni uno no bakuthangikira gatanta Nteto Cietu cia Meru TV ugoro na arua ngauchokirie nkatho cia mwanya no tubakwithira uria mona batwe na gutuwata mbaru na kinya kiri maripotas betu bonde kabure ibwega no tubaguturetera nteto inkinyaniru nikenda mutegeri wa Meru TV agatigirwa akomenya mantu jonde yari ya gwita na mbere tuonane ntuku ya ruju mathaja ja gitara kwa urumbita njeri wa Cheupe.